Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about career ki chai ki patti. Yes, you have heard it right. Let me share an incident with you. Few days back, I met Rishabh. He seemed to me very sad and stressed out. I asked him, "What happened, Rishabh? You seem to look very sad." He said, "I worked hard whole my childhood to earn good marks, get admission in a good college, and now I have a job. But I don't seem to feel happy and satisfied now. What to do for my growth, I'm unaware about that. How to grow my career is also a question mark to me now." I told him, "Simple. Let's find out your career ki chai ki patti." Stunned? He was also stunned. I asked him, "Have you made tea ever? Or at least do you know to make tea?" He replied, "Of course I know to make tea." I said, "Very nice. Now let me know any 6 ingredients you can use for making a tea." He replied to me, "Milk, water, tea, sugar, ginger and elaichi." I said, "Now remove any 2 ingredients out of it." He immediately removed elaichi and adrak. Then I asked him to remove one more ingredient out of it. He very smartly replied to it. He said, "I would remove this ingredient depending upon the choice of the person who is drinking this tea. Some may like tea without milk, some may like tea without sugar." I said, "Now let me know that one ingredient that cannot be removed at all." He said, "Chai ki patti." I said, "There you are." Similarly, if we don't have career ki chai ki patti in our career, then our careers won't be satisfying and happy. Come, let's see what does this career ki chai ki patti exactly mean. With the help of certain scientific theories, I will tell you this with the help of Dr. John Holland's career interest theory. It is also called as Riyasik theory. Dr. Holland says most people fit into 6 categories of personality type: realistic, investigative, artistic, social, enterprising and conventional. Let's see, where do you fall? You are realistic if you like to work with your hands, making, fixing, assembling or building things, using and operating equipments, tools or machines. You often like to work outdoors. Your key skills are to use and operate tools, equipments and machinery, designing, building, repairing, maintaining, measuring. You like working in detail. You like activities like driving, moving, caring for animals, working with plants. Occupation with realistic interest are pilots, farmers, horticulturists, builders, engineers, armed service personnel, mechanic, electrician, computer technologist, ranger and sportsman. Our second category is investigative. You are investigative if you like to discover and do research on various ideas. You observe, investigate and experiment. You ask questions and solve questions. Your key skills are thinking analytically and logically, computing, communicating by writing and speaking, designing, formulating, calculating, diagnosing, experimenting, investigating are some of the skills of investigative people. Occupations with investigative interest are engineering, research, medical, healthcare occupations, chemists, forestry technicians, laboratory technicians, zoologists, dentists, general practitioners. Our third category is artistic. You are artistic if you are creative. You like using words, art, music, drama to express yourself. You like to communicate and perform. You like to create and design things. Your key skills are expressing artistically or physically, communicating by speaking, writing, singing, or performing, designing, presenting, planning, composing, playing, and dancing. Occupations with artistic interest are artists, illustrators, photographer, composers, singers, instrument players, dancer, actor, reporter, writer, editor, hairdressers, fashion designers. Our next category is social. You are social if you like to help others. If you like to teach, train, inform, help, treat, heal, cure, serve, and greet people. You are concerned for others' well being and welfare. Your key skills are to communicate by writing and speaking, caring and supporting, training, meeting, assisting, teaching, informing, interviewing, and coaching. Occupations with social interest are teacher, nurse, counselor, police officers, social workers, salesperson, customer service officer, waiter, secretaries. Our next category is enterprising. You are enterprising if you like to persuade people with your ideas. You are enterprising if you like to meet people. If you like leading, talking, influencing others. If you like encouraging others, working in business. Your key skills are selling, promoting, persuading, developing ideas, public speaking, managing, organizing, leading, and planning. Occupations with enterprising interest are salespersons, lawyers, politicians, business owner, executive or managers, travel agent, music or sports promoters. Our next category is conventional. You are conventional if you like to work with data and work indoor. You like tasks involving organizing and being accurate, following procedures, working with data and numbers, planning and event management. Your key skills are computing and keyboarding, recording and keeping records, paying attention to details, meeting and greeting, doing calculations, handling money, organizing and arranging, working independently. Occupations with conventional interest are secretary, receptionist, office workers, librarians, bank clerks, computer operator, stores and dispatch clerks. Realistics are the ones who like to work physically and work with their hands. Investigatives are the ones who like to solve problems and are techno-savvies. Artistics are creative, socials are helping, enterprisings are persuading, and conventionals are the organizers. Now let's see how we apply this Holland codes to find out best suitable career path for us. Now in this graph of a student, I want you to remember our story. Do you remember? We removed 3 ingredients and took the first 3 into consideration and we considered them in order. Now, in this case, the Holland code is IAR. You cannot take it as AIR or RIA. Now, the chai patti here is I, investigative. As per our theory, this person is investigative. That is, he likes to solve problems, he is artistic, he likes designing, he is realistic, he likes to work practically with things. So, career suitable for such student will be architecture, web designing, product designing, technical or non-technical designing. Now, let's make a slight change in the code. AIR. So here, creativity will have more emphasis. Hence, more suitable option would be graphic designing, website designing, UI, UX, multimedia, film technology. Recently I had a query. I have completed psychology. Should I do MBA or masters in psychology? For psychology, the first course should be S, as he should be liking to work with people and help them out. For MBA, the person needs to be more persuading and enterprising. Hence, E should be his first code. For selecting specialization, we can further check the second code and the third code. Like for HR, you should be ECS or ESC. For marketing, EAS or ESA. For finance, EIC or ECI. So this way, you should know what is your career ki chai ki patti, that is your career interest code, and not select a course because your neighbor's son has done better in that, or some particular career gives you more salary as per your information. If you want to be successful, you should have career interest considered for that. You can comment with course of your preference. I will reply you with the career ki chai ki patti, that is the career code required for you. As usual, you can contact me for queries and consultations. In our upcoming video, we would be discussing about one more important dimension for career selection, that is your personality type. So, stay connected and subscribe to our channel, as we will be coming up with more videos related to child and youth development with the help of scientific theories. Do like, share and comment, and let more and more people be aware about the practical application of scientific psychological theories. Thank you.